To add variants to Shopify and set up product variants. Start by logging into your Shopify admin panel and navigating to the Products section. Click on the product you want to add variants to, or create a new product by clicking the Add Product button. In the Product Details page, scroll down to the Variants section. If you don't see the Variants section, click on the More Actions drop-down menu and select Edit Product. Then click on the Organize tab and make sure the Variants option is enabled. To add a variant, click the Add Variant button. Enter the details for the variant, such as the option name, for example size or color, and the option values, for example small, medium, or large. You can also set a price and SKU for each variant. You can add multiple options and values to create different combinations of variants. For example, you can add a size option with values small, medium, and large, and a color option with values red, blue, and green. Shopify will automatically create all possible combinations of these options and values. Once you have added all your variants, click the Save button to save your changes. You can then view all your variants in the Variants section, where you can edit or delete them as needed. Best practice is to keep your variant options and values consistent across all your products to make it easier for customers to navigate your store. You should also make sure to test your variants to ensure they are working correctly and that customers can select and purchase the correct variant. By following these steps, you can easily add variants to your Shopify products and provide your customers with more options and a better shopping experience. This will help increase customer satisfaction and ultimately drive more sales for your business.